Introducing Tire Coating Plus R from SurLuster, designed to preserve the natural blackness of your tires and provide a lasting luster and gloss. With our newly developed special modified silicone formula, enjoy up to 6 months of unparalleled durability. Gentle on your tires and easy to use thanks to its water-based formula. Not just for tires, SurLuster Tire Coating Plus R can also be used on unpainted resin parts, ensuring a clean finish every time. But how do you use it? Pre-rinse dirt from the side of the tire and ensure it's thoroughly dried with a dry, clean cloth. Shake the bottle well and drop an appropriate amount of liquid onto the included sponge. Evenly spread and extend it on the tire or unpainted resin parts and let it dry. And remember these key points. Lightly wipe the applied surface with a dry, clean cloth for a finish without unevenness. When applying to the tire, start from the bottom to prevent dripping. For unpainted resin parts, mask around the application area for a clean finish. Tire Coating Plus R from SurLuster, the ultimate choice for long-lasting tire protection and glossy finish. Try it today!